What is it, guys? My name is Tawesome, and today we are back on Plants vs. Zombies 2, where zombies try to eat your flippin' brains, and then they kill you, and then everyone's happy. So, we're going to start with the Piñata Party event today, because it's a vase breaker one. So, I'm excited. We're in dinosaur times. Yeah, I know how to break a vase. Alright, so I know about the wasabi whip already. I did a video on it. Ooh, what is this? It looks like a pea shooter. That is a huge pea. Alright. Looks like these are different types of like pea shooters and walnuts. And I got another one of those weird things. What are they? Ooh, I got these yeah, I can do this. Oh, there's another pea shooter for me. Come on, hurry up, I got things to do. Come on, just die already. Come on, here we go. And dead. Alright, whack open 3 piñatas. Awesome. 5,000 coins. Whoa, that is legit. Alright guys, we have an important mission. We have to team up and fight against ads. Ads are pure evil. Ads are going to die one day, but with your help, I know that we can make that happen. Who's with me? Cricket, cricket, cricket. Well, that settles that. Ooh, look at the beautiful plants I have. We're gonna have some fun with this level. I'm living in the pirate seas now. You can see me just in the water. It's a magical time. Squash! I'm sorry, guys. I keep getting interrupted. Blah! I don't know why. I'm just having so many of them today. Alright, but I'm back. Squash! Yeah, squashing people are fun. Or squashing zombies. But what's more fun than squashing zombies is hypnotizing them. Do well, my son. I don't know, he's gonna get killed in a second. But he got me XP. Or whatever that plant food is. Squash! I'm gonna win this level without any repeaters. Yeah, this is a fun little challenge. Grr! Gargantuar! I'm about to use the jalapeno. Oh, nope, you're not getting away that easily. Ha! I think I need another Gargantuar to clear all them fellas out. I wonder what I'm going to do about that guy. Maybe I need to start using my lawnmowers. Squash! Ha, this is going great. Go into the water. Well, this is awesome. Having a heavenly time. Start dying. Did I say you could swing? Uh-oh. I hope one of them doesn't get away. Are you cereal? Stop that. I don't care at this point. I'm going full savage. Die. Hey, it's working out. Now we just gotta get rid of these troublemakers. Luckily, boom, I have one power food left. Yay! Squash. Ha! Ooh, what is this? Spring bean bounces zombies back and into nearby water. Awesome. That might. Trust me, guys, these ads are annoying me way more than they're annoying you. And let's see if there's anything else I have. I want to try out the spring bean guy. Ooh, I can upgrade him. Let's see what I can upgrade him with. Alright, so he recharges faster, is tougher, and apparently his special is knockback. So awesome, let's use him. What plant should I swap out? Let's swap out the power lily for now. I have quite a bit of plants, actually. Dang, look at all those guys. When did I get an apple motor? I want to use this guy. I don't remember buying an apple motor. Alright, day 10. Gonna capture these swashbuckling pirates. Maybe I should have placed it in the second row because I'm gonna place the sunflower there, but I want to see what he does. Any minute now! Wonder if he blows up or something. I don't exactly know what he does. Let's see what this apple motor does. What is he doing? Is that it? Are you serious? Is that what it does? What is that? It only knocks him back a little. Wait, what? I'm confused. What did that just do? It's knocking him in the water. That's pretty cool. These apple motors do a lot of damage too. Yeah, I like these. They slow them down. This is a pretty good plant. And they shoot in 3 lanes. Let's see what power up for this is. Yo, that is awesome. That is legit. Alright, come on. We gotta knock those guys back. Or hypnotize them or something. Actually, they're gonna float over the water, so that's perfect. Let's knock everyone in. Get in. It's getting a little laggy. My battery's low. Alright, yeah, let's knock everyone in. Here we go. Ooh, that wasn't the last of them. Alright, come on, let's get all of them. Alright, come on, they're almost dead. Actually, wait, I can just finish them off. Yay! Awesome! Now, I'm probably going to get an ad when I click next level, so wish me luck. Alright guys, I let my tablet charge for a little bit, so now I'm going to continue this video. Alright, so yeah, let's just get back into it. So sorry about that. But anyway, target score activated. Let's see if you can beat my high score. And put in Crazy Dave as your initials. Will do. Reach the target score. Alright, so I'm guessing this is another cannon level, yep. Try and shoot them. Alright, I need to get 30,000. Oh no, that was bad. That was actually bad. Oh no, I'm not doing too great. We want to try and get the combos. Alright, awesome. I got 6,000. I'm a fifth of the way there. Alright, now I'm a third of the way there. This actually isn't going too bad, I don't think. I still got the final wave to get a bunch of points. Oh, awesome. I got a big combo then. Oh, yeah, I get it. Yay! That actually wasn't too hard. Let's just finish off all these guys. Yeah, look at them. There's so many of them to get still. Let's just try and kill all of them. Die! Oh, no, that was bad. I have no idea how many times I'm trying to tap my screen right now. Alright, 49,000, not bad. Wow, 2 coins. Thanks. Ooh, I did get a coconut cannon, though. So that's pretty cool. It does cost 400, though, so I'm guessing it does a lot. Alright, I'm probably going to get an ad, guys. I knew it. I knew I was going to get it. You guys knew I was going to get that ad. But it doesn't matter, because now I can try out new things. And let's upgrade this while we're at it. So it's tougher and does more damage. And apparently the damage is massive, so that's pretty good. Alright, so let's see. What do I want? I definitely want the Apple motor again. Because that was amazing. I'm going to take the coconut cannon because I want to see what it does. I do like the hip mushroom. And there we go. Let's just see what we can do with this. Alright. Pirate Seas Day 12. Just knock him in straight away. I might settle for that coconut cannon, even though it is kind of expensive. Awesome, I'm knocking them in. One by one. And I got some power food, plant food. Alright, let's see. Okay, I don't actually know how much damage that does, but that was pretty good still. Look at all those spring beans I have. Alright, let's look at that. Whoa! Now that is awesome. This is an awesome plant already. Uh-oh. Imps. Imps. Die. Die, imps. Oh, I didn't knock him back. It wasn't good enough. Alright, here we go. Boom! Take that! Oh my gosh, these are actually kind of amazing. Oh, one guy fell in the water. Brilliant. This actually isn't going too bad. Let's get rid of that guy so I can shoot all them. Awesome. That is awesome. Let's look at the plant food. What? Aw, yes. This is pretty good. I actually like this plant. Alright. I'm going to have that spring beam ready just in case they throw out another one. Yep. Hopefully this coconut cannon will recharge faster. There we go. Oh, it's not over. I thought that was the final wave. I guess not. Right, we are not done yet. Awesome. These are clearing out a lot of zombies, though. Oh. Kind of wasted the coconut cannon then, but oh well. It's best to kind of get it in the middle, I guess. There we go. Boom. What is this? What is that? Unlock the 3-peater, 2 levels remaining. Awesome, I know what the 3-peater is. Alright, get an additional 25% of sun cost back when shoveling up plants. Wait, so that means, like, if I don't like a plant, I can shovel it and I get 25% of the sun back. That's pretty cool. Alright, I think I have time for one more level this episode, so I will see you after this ad. Alright, produce at least 3,000 sun. That's quite a lot. Oh, I hate those pirate captain zombies with the birds. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so I'm going to need a lot of sunflowers this round. Let's just get rid of that guy again. Alright, here we go. I produced 100 already. So I think I can do this. Producing the sun isn't going to be that hard, I don't think. I just need to have a lot of sunflowers. It doesn't matter if I spend sun, I just have to produce it, so that's pretty good. Oh man, not those birds. Get rid of them. Alright, awesome. Hopefully I can get those coconut cannons in soon. Oh, why can't I do that? There we go. Oh, I didn't knock him in. It wasn't enough. Here we go. Let's knock all those zombies in. There we go. Alright, I'm at 1,700 already. So yeah, this doesn't seem too hard. Ah, those stupid seagulls! Not seagulls. I don't know what they are. They're just parrots. That's what they're called. The parrots are so annoying. Oh yeah, I can produce it with the plant food. Why didn't I think of that? Here we go. Alright, I should be able to do this now. I completed the goal. Now I just have to defeat the zombies. I don't even care if the parrot takes that. Because I just won! Boom! Alright, yes! So I guess I'll unlock the 3-peater next episode.